Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to do a transfer in Monarch Money. Perfect if you want to move funds between accounts or keep your budget fully synced for 2025. Start by opening Monarch Money on your web browser or app. From your dashboard, go to the Transactions tab on the left side. Click New Transaction, then choose Transfer as the type. Now, select the From account and to account where the money is moving between. Enter the transfer amount, add a note or category if needed, and make sure the date is correct. You can also mark it as cleared or pending, depending on your bank update. Once done, hit Save. Monarch will automatically reflect the transfer in both accounts so your net worth stays accurate. And that's how you do a transfer in Monarch Money. Simple, accurate, and great for keeping your 2025 budget on track.